In design work, we often use the preview feature. By previewing the generated prototype, you can view the finished work. To preview the prototype, you can click the preview button on the toolbar or use the shortcut command or Ctrl+. Click Publish Preview Options in the menu bar to set the preview options. In the Preview Options window, you can choose Browser and Player options. Choose with Pages Open and click the Preview button to open the left page panel after generating the prototype. Click the Share button on the main toolbar, or choose the menu option Publish Generate HTML File to open the Publish Project window. In the Publish Project window, select Publish Locally and then select the local path to save the published HTML file to the specified location. Under the Pages tab, if you uncheck Publish All Pages, you can select the pages to generate. We checked for pages. Under the Notes tab, you can select the notes to generate, including which fields to show and whether to include note marks. Under the Interaction tab, you can set the interactions for generating prototypes, such as how to show multiple cases. Under the Fonts tab, you can reference fonts on the internet or add font mappings, which can transform one font into another on the generated prototype. At the top drop-down, you can choose Manage Configurations. You can choose the type of document to publish, including HTML prototypes, Word, CSV, or printed images. In general, we use the default HTML prototype, so we can ignore it. If you have created and logged into an Axure account, you can publish to Axure Cloud. Click on the icon in the top right to log in and register for an Axure account. You can try it yourself. You can see that I am currently logged in. If your project has already been published, click on the drop-down icon next to Update, and you can choose to publish to a new project. Then you can choose the path to publish, click the Path drop-down button, choose the path, and then click the Publish button. After publishing, click the Copy button, copy the prototype URL, and click the generated prototype link to view the prototype. Click on the Page button on the left to view the published pages, which is the pages we just chose.